Today we're going to take a look at their new Eisley wig. This is in Sandy Bronde Highlighted, and this is in their Pure Fit lace cap, which we'll discuss in just a minute. Okay. Beautiful wig. I love the length. The hair's really, really nice. So this is 14 inches in length and 130% density. So a very nice natural density. I left it parted in the middle, if y'all can believe it. I didn't change the part just because, I don't know, I kind of liked it parted in the middle. Plus I wanted to be able to kind of show you the things that I'm seeing about the cap, you know, and as far as styling and stuff, which we'll cover in just a minute. So you are going to have with this one, a lace front that goes from the bottom of the ear tab all the way to the bottom of the ear tab. And I'm not cutting the lace on this one because it is on loan for review, but you would just cut that right along the hairline there. You just want to use really, really sharp scissors. Some people like to use the little pinking shears. I don't usually use those. I just use really sharp hair trimming shears and just trim right along the hairline. If you have a widow's peak or something, you know, you can customize around that. Don't be afraid about, you know, cutting out hair or whatever. You might hit a few hairs. It's not going to hurt the wig at all, so no big deal. So, and then this one has a full lace top. So you can choose your part and part it wherever you'd like on this lace top, which is really, really nice. So right, left, center, you know, whatever works for you, you can choose your part. Okay, so this one is 14 inches in length. The cap size is listed as 21.5 inches. All right, I'm gonna pop it off and I will show you the inside of the Pure Fit lace cap. Okay, so this is the Pure Fit lace cap. There's the full lace top, allowing you to part it wherever you'd like. That customizable ear-to-ear lace front. There are pressure clips on the ear tabs. You can remove those if you don't want to. They're just stitched in with a little stitch there on, you know, 4 little stitches. I take them out all the time. It's very easy to take out. And then there's a comb when you come off of the lace top. So let's take a look at what makes this the Pure Fit lace cap. So as you can see, we have very soft fabric as well as strips of silicone on the inside, making this a really great cap for those of you who have no hair at all. It's extremely comfortable. It's also lined with this, I guess you would say it zeomic, like antimicrobial probably, or zeomic lining, which is antibacterial, just helps to keep the inside of the wig clean for you. Really, really nice. And then it is a closed wefted cap under these extra layers. And I think these extra layers, they're super soft, they're super comfy. I think that is what's kind of adding to, you know, making the cap feel a little more snug. There's also this additional strap to adjust it with, which again is great. If you have no hair, a lot of times these wigs will be really big on a completely bald head. So that's an extra strap that you can adjust in or out to help this wig fit you. So, and then it has the hook adjusters with an extended nape. And like I said, this is Remy human hair. Okay, so this beautiful color, Sandy Bronde Highlighted. As you can see, it has just a very, very light root, and it goes into these beautiful shades. So their description is a mix of warm and cool bronze tones for a natural looking light to dark coloring. So it's a little darker, you know, as you go down the ear tabs. Like I said, it does look to be, you know, like it has just a little bit of rooting, just a little bit of a shadow root. But beautiful, beautiful color. I think it would work well if you like light brunettes, or it would work well if you like dark blondes, you know, with highlights. So here we are outside with this beautiful color. I'll show it to you in the sun. So this 130 density is low enough, you know, easy to tuck it behind the ears. The positioning of the ear tabs is really, really easy for glasses, which is nice. They go up on your head, no problem. Headband. There's all kinds of cute ways that you could style her. A headband back in a pony would be cute. Or, you know, the sides are long, so the whole thing is 14 inches. So, you know, you can pull the hair back, half up, half down. It's long enough to go in a ponytail. The tag's still back there, sorry about that. So the tag may get in the way a little bit, but ponytail, you know, you could twist it and do braids and things like that and just easily wear it. I thank you so much for watching this video, and take care. And don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.